Imagine waking up every morning with naturally long, thick lashes that make your eyes pop. No extensions, no falsies, just your own lashes. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that with a few simple tricks and some natural remedies, you can actually enhance your lash growth? In today's video, I'm revealing the signs, debunking the myths, and showing exactly how to achieve those dream lashes. Stay tuned, this is going to change your beauty routine forever. Now, let's clear up some common myths about eyelash growth. One of the biggest myths out there is that trimming your lashes will make them grow longer or thicker. This simply isn't true. While trimming hair on your head might encourage healthier ends, it doesn't work the same with lashes. Another myth is that if your eyelashes fall out, they won't grow back. The truth is, as long as your hair follicle is healthy, your lashes will definitely regrow. It can take a few weeks to maybe a couple of months, depending on the individual growth cycle. Alright, now let's get into the fun part, how to naturally enhance your lash growth using some simple remedies you can make at home. These methods are easy, cost-effective, and best of all, they use ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Olive oil remedy. Olive oil is a fantastic conditioner for your lashes. It's rich in fatty acids, which can help nourish and moisturize your lashes, making them appear thicker and healthier. To make this remedy, all you need is some extra virgin olive oil. Pour a small amount of olive oil into a clean dish, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the oil, and gently apply the oil to your lashes, starting from the base of your lash line and moving toward the tip. Be careful not to get any oil in your eyes. Leave it on overnight for the best results, and wash it off with warm water in the morning. I suggest using this remedy every night before bed. You might start noticing your lashes feeling softer and looking more conditioned after a few weeks. Number 2, Castor Oil Remedy. Castor oil is another popular choice for lash growth. It contains ricinoleic acid, which is believed to promote hair growth and prevent lash loss. Pour a small amount into a clean container, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the oil, and apply a thin layer of castor oil to your lashes just like you would with mascara. Again, be careful not to get any in your eyes. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. With consistent use, castor oil can help your lashes grow stronger and possibly thicker over time. Some people start seeing results in just 2 to 3 weeks, so patience is key. Aloe vera gel remedy. Aloe vera is not just great for your skin, it's also excellent for your lashes. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that can help strengthen and condition your lashes, preventing them from becoming brittle. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, or you can also use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. Scoop out a small amount and apply it directly using a clean mascara wand or your fingertips. You can either leave it on overnight or, if you prefer, rinse it off after 30 minutes to an hour. This remedy is particularly good if you're dealing with dry or brittle lashes. Aloe vera can keep them hydrated and reduce the chances of breakage. So, these are incredibly amazing remedies that work wonders to grow your eyelashes. But remember, consistency is key. You won't see overnight results, but with regular use, you might notice fuller, healthier lashes over time. Beyond natural remedies, your lifestyle plays a big role in the health of your lashes. Be gentle with your lashes, avoid rubbing your eyes, always remove makeup before bed, and make sure you're getting enough vitamins and nutrients in your diet. Vitamin E, A, and B5 are particularly beneficial for hair growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and naturally enhancing your eyelash growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any eyelash growth tips or experiences to share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more.
Bye!